pull on that. Now, if there's ever a seed to be made, you can guarantee it from the Bosworth family. So these are the two Bosworth family engines. Yeah, we're saving on coal. David's saving on the coal. The first engine is a Foster traction engine. This one went new to a farmer in the northeast of England. Came down into Lincolnshire where it had a number of owners, and it's been in the Bosworth family since the early 1970s. Following on, we have a Garrett steam tractor owned by David Bosworth. This one went new to Sadler Brothers of Stourbridge. Then went to an owner the other side of Market Harbour. For many years it was owned by a gentleman who came from Shackerston. It was painted yellow and red, and his gentleman's name was Alan Tingett. But it's been re-restored by David Bosworth. An entry not in the programme, but it's nice to have it with us. This is a Burrell traction engine, built in 1898. It's owned by Mr. Now, if you're interested in steam traction engines and all the steam world, there is actually a trust that runs. You know, I never thought to do two jobs at once, eating an ice cream and talking about traction engines. What do you reckon? I wonder if I could drink a pint as well while I'm doing all. Right, we've got Alex Baker now. Alex comes from Tideswell. Hey! This is a particular example work for Clacton Council in Essex there, on the road with this particular engine over some months. Evelyn and Porter, owned by Mr. Jones. This one worked for Chesterfield Council from their Brimington depot. This too's had a number of owners in preservation, and it's not too long been with Rob. It's nice to have it here at the Elverston Steam